Morning everyone, how are you? Hope you're all well. I've got a different backdrop today. We're on location again. We're on location again. My first Magic at Your Door box, that was opened over in Animal Kingdom at Jumbo House. And this time I'm back on holiday again. I am. And we're in the Hard Rock Hotel this time because tonight I'm actually going to the first Halloween Horror Nights. And I am so super excited. If it's half as good as last year, I'm going to be so happy. And yeah, super excited. So we're here in the hotel. I have my Magic at Your Door box number 2. So shall we open it? Shall we? I can't really see you at the moment because I haven't got my glasses on. So join me the other side of the intro. I'll put my glasses on and we'll get opening. Hit it, maestro. Right, let me put these on so I can see everybody. Yay! Hello! It's only vanity, that's why I don't put them on to start with. You know, when you're 27 and you only need them for reading, supposedly, it's a big change, isn't it? So that's why I never put them on to start with, because I'm not used to really seeing myself with them on. And I've got to get some trendy ones. That's the plan when I get back home. Right, so I'm opening my box. Right. Okay, you ready? I can see things, but I can't quite see. Does that make sense? I can see things, but I can't quite see things. I can see the light. I can see the light. I think it's been on location, you know. Yeah, I can see the light. Anyway, what have we got in here? So, the first thing, I love socks. I'm on a massive sock haul, and I have got my teacup socks. Look at these. Now, I don't ride the teacups. I don't, because whoever I go on with likes to spin them. And I don't know about you, but I get really nauseous. So I don't go on them. So I sit and I watch them. But I love those. Yeah, I love those. And they'll fit my big feet. Yeah! And look at them, how they're different. I love that. I love different socks. In fact, I love it so much. Sometimes when I put the washing away, they might be different because I haven't got my glasses on. But we won't go there. So that's item number 1. Number 2. Yay! I needed this the start of the week. I needed a new nightie. It was so hot here. I love this. I have got, look at this. I have got the Up House. Oh, wowzers. Look at this. The Up House night dress. Look at this. How fabulous is this? Oh, I love this. Thank you so much. Oh, this is amazing. Absolutely amazing. Yeah, I love that. Absolutely love that. Yeah. I love Up. And I think for me, Up, the movie, I don't want to be Ellie, obviously. I don't want to be Ellie because she's not here anymore. But the way Carl is with Ellie, and he'd go to the ends of the world for her, and he'd take the house there. That's what Phil would do for me. He'd go to the ends of the earth for me. And Blake, my son, I see Russell in him because he would help others, not thinking of his own safety, because he's got such a kind heart. Savannah, well, she hasn't really got a place in this movie, and I said she could be Kevin, so long as she didn't have any babies yet, we're all right there. And then Doug, I've got 3 lovely little dogs, and to me, that's family, so I just resonate so strongly with the movie, and yeah, it's really special, really special. So, what else have I got here? No, I bought this in my haul. I did, but that's fine. I have got a backup because I know it's going to come off. But the Up House, look at this. This is amazing. Now this is a patch, so you can sew it on, but what I actually do with these is on my laptop case, I've got a hard plastic cover on my laptop, and I stick these onto the case itself, and I've done it with the big Cinderella castle. So that I haven't had a chance to do yet, so that will be going on this. But because I think you can see it, they're like wooden beads, the balloons themselves. And when we come away, Phil brings his laptop as well, and so they're going to get knocked and damaged. So I've got a backup now, so I'm not at all disappointed I've got a spare one, because when I bought it I was a bit like, will it be all right? But now I know it will, because I've got a spare one. So I love it. I'm loving my box. I'm loving my box. Okay, I have got an Incredibles 2 hat. Look at that. Now, I don't wear hats. I don't. But this one I'm going to give to Savannah or Blake. One of them will have this. But isn't that a lovely hat? Oh, and the price on there is oh no, that's Canadian dollars. It's $18.90, and that's for the Incredibles 2 hat. Oh, the stick-on patch, that was $9.99. Oh, did I look? The socks, I don't know. The night shirt was $19.95. So, what else have I got? I haven't got this. I haven't got this. And you know, I adore drinks services. So I've got the Walt Disney Castle, pink. Oh, that's beautiful. Oh, that's beautiful. Now, it's not a Tervis, it isn't, but it's the same principle, but you just put cold drinks in. So you open and you close it. Because, I don't know about you, but I'm really accident prone at home. And I put my drink by my side there on the sideboard in the living room. And I'm busy. I edit on my MacBook on my lap now. I used to go upstairs and do it on the big one, but I do it on my MacBook on my lap now. And if the kids are down, I've got my ear pods in so I can do it but still be part of the family. But sometimes I knock it. So every time I take a drink, I can close it up now. And then my Coke, or my naughty Coke. You know what I'm saying. My naughty Coke won't get spilled, will it? So yeah, love that. Thanks, Mike. And that one is $22.99. And it's got bling. Look at the bling. Anything with bling is a winner for me. Yeah. Now, I was born to be a princess. I was. But anyway, that didn't quite happen. Right, so I move on to the best bit, the bit we all look forward to, the silver pouch. And you know, before I got the Magic at Your Door boxes, I used to see people get this silver pouch. I was so jealous. I was really jealous, because these are famous. You see, we are now both, the silver pouch and me, we are on location. We are international movie stars on location in the Hard Rock. How do you feel about that? I feel really good about that. Thank you for asking. So, yeah, madness. It's only 11 o'clock in the morning. It's madness. So it's a little box in here. Ooh, it's a little box. Look, a little Mickey box. What's in the little Mickey box? Oh, those are lovely. Oh, those are lovely. Oh, that's really precious. Some silver Mickey Mouse. Can I get them close enough? Some silver, sterling silver Mickey Mouse earrings. Aren't they beautiful? Oh, those are really lovely, really sweet, really lovely. Oh, I love those. And those are $39.99. Those are beautiful. I really love those. Thank you. Those are lovely. Yeah, amazing. My silver pouch. Yeah, I think I'm having a breakdown because I've been away from England for so long. But I hope you've enjoyed that. I've really enjoyed that. Can't wait to get my next one. I've skipped next month purely because of all the trips. I've got so much stuff to catch up with at home. And then we're back on track then for the October box. So we're back on track then. So yeah, I've skipped September's box purely because, yeah, I've been away for 3 months. I've got so much mail, magic mail, pins, other things to unbox. I've got pops Funko Pops, all of that to unbox for you. So yeah, so I've had to skip next month because there just weren't enough days in the month to actually upload it all. So, but we'll be back on track for October. But thank you, thanks Mike, love this. Thanks 001, don't forget I'm 007, Bond girl. And I'll see you soon. If you haven't already, please click that subscribe button at the end of the video and click the notification bell as well. That way then when I upload a new video, YouTube will tell you, and it's entirely up to you if you want to watch it or not, but I like clicking that notification bell because I'm nosy. Shh, don't tell anyone. And then that way then, they'll tell you when I've uploaded, and it's up to you if you watch it or not, but at least you know and you're kept in the loop. But thanks so much everyone. Be good, be kind, have lots of fun. Take care of yourselves, and I'll see you really soon. Bye for now, everyone. Bye.